Okay, good morning 11th class. Now in earlier video we have learned about what that one is simple general knowledge historical development of periodic table. Okay, in that one we have studies Dobryna's triad, Newland's law of octaves, Mendeleev's periodic table, okay, and law and their drawbacks also. Now after drawback or demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table, okay, then we have modern periodic law and table. Okay, because drawbacks were there in case of Mendeleev's periodic table, although that Mendeleev was known as the father of periodic table because the base was same, means he classified elements into groups and periods. So in case of long form of periodic table also we have same concept, periods and groups wala concept. Okay, so today we will study about modern periodic law and table. Now in case of modern periodic law, first of all, okay, now modern periodic law, okay, was given by Henry Moseley. Okay, or simple you can say given by Moseley. Okay, so in case of according to this law, according to modern periodic law, then the physical and the chemical properties are the periodic function of their atomic number. Okay, so whatever is the physical and chemical properties, that one is the periodic function of their atomic number. Okay, not atomic mass. So based on atomic number means we can fill, okay, will fill electrons with according to their atomic increasing atomic number. Okay, and just because of this statement, simple एक law की वजह से क्या था, दो तीन drawback overcome हो गए. Means first of all which limitation was shot out, that one is anomalous atomic mass. In case of argon and potassium, that one is argon and potassium, cobalt and nickel we have. So in case of argon, you know that atomic number of argon is 18 and potassium is 19. तो no problem, वो ऐसे ही रखे हुए थे, तो no need to change because again according to atomic number. तो जैसे ही atomic number बोला, this problem also shot out. कुछ भी उसने change नहीं किया, सिर्फ law was changed instead of atomic mass. Okay, he said atomic number. Now second thing is in this one, just see, one is atomic number, and now in this one that some dissimilar elements were placed in similar group, so that problem also shot out in case of which one, that one is long form of periodic table. Okay, now in this remember one thing, long form of periodic law was given by Henry Moseley, and in case of table, that one is long form of periodic table, or you can say modern periodic table. Okay, that was given by Neil Bohr. Okay, so in both the cases, okay, different scientists gave. This one Moseley given modern periodic law and table was given by Neil Bohr. Okay, now in case of we have to study this long form of periodic table in detail. So now in case of long form of periodic table, first of all, okay, that table, long form of periodic table, it consists of, okay, it consists of 7 period and 18 groups. Okay, so it consists of 7 periods and 18 groups, and we have to study these periods and groups in detail. Okay, now okay, 11th class, now just see, this one is your periodic table. Okay, now in this one, you know, periodic table, it consists of 7 periods and 18 group. So now what are periods? होते क्या हैं? तो simple 7 horizontal rows. Just see, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, 6th and 7th. Okay, so these 7 horizontal rows, okay, that one is known as periods. Okay, and 18 vertical column, देखो, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th and 18. So 18 vertical columns, that one is known as group. Okay, now in this one, although our main concern is with first group, second group and 13th to 18th group. Okay, so this one is this one is horizontal rows are periods and vertical columns, that one is known as groups. Okay, now Okay, now 11th class, just see. In case of period, now you know okay, that one is horizontal rows are known as periods, and 7 period in long form of periodic table. Now in this one, first thing is period number and elements. How many elements are present in a particular period? Okay, numbers are required actually. Now in this one, that first period, how many elements are there? 2. Okay, now in second period we have 8 elements. Then in third period again 8. Then fourth, so 18. Then fifth, okay, again it's 18. Then sixth, 32, and seventh, this one is 32. Okay, now because seventh one is also complete. Previously it was incompleted, but now we have new discoveries also. So total 118 elements are there. Okay, so that one is in seventh period, that one is 32 elements. Okay, these are regarding to their periods. Now next thing is that one we have groups. Okay, how many groups we have? 18 groups we have. Okay, and that one is 18 vertical columns are known as group. Okay, so first of all we will study about which group number. That one is, okay, now this one is regarding to group. So how many groups? 18 group in the periodic table. Now first of all we have to study first group. Okay, and we have some shortcut pattern. Maybe some of you know क्योंकि हमने ये पहले पढ़ा है, that was in 10th class. Okay, so you all are familiar with these shortcuts also. Okay, but again I'll explain. That one is group 1. Yeah, you can say group first element. Okay, now in case of group 1 element, okay, that one is also known as, this group is also known as, that one is alkali metals. Okay, that group is also known as alkali metals. Okay, now let's just see group 1 elements. Okay, we have simple elements 6 1, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. This francium is radioactive. It's a radioactive in nature. Okay, now in case of this one, how to learn this group? Simple, it's a ली ना ने की रब से फरियाद. This one is ली ना ने की रब से फरियाद. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. Okay, although you will see hydrogen also in first group, but you know that the position of hydrogen is not defined. Why? Because the properties of hydrogen, okay, somewhat similar to first group and thoda bahut similar to 17th group also. Means some properties are similar with first group and some are similar with 17th group. That's why the position of hydrogen is not defined. Okay, now this one is regarding to your first group, and this group members are also known as alkali metals. Okay, why this group members are known as alkali metals? You know alkali. Okay, that one is simple water soluble base. हमने पढ़ा था. That one is water soluble bases. That one is known as alkalis. So in case of this one, when these metals react with water, okay, they form alkali. Okay, for example, in this case you are familiar with this NaOH. So it forms NaOH. It's a strong alkali, water soluble base. Either it's a KOH, either it's a LiOH. So generally first group members, they form strong alkali, okay, with water. That's why this group metals are known as alkali metals. Okay, this one is regarding to your first group. Okay, now we have second group. Okay, now check in this one, that is group 2. Okay, group 2 elements, that one is known as alkaline earth metals. Alkaline earth metals. Okay, now just see in this one alkaline earth metals, and members are, just see, beta, मांगे, कार, स्कूटर, बाप, राजी. रोई भी कर सकते हो मांग आजकल, लेकिन आजकल पेरेंट्स दे देते हैं बड़ी आसानी से. दैट्स व्हाई बेटा, मांगे, कार, स्कूटर, बाप, राजी. नाउ इन दिस वन, जस्ट सी व्हाट अबाउट फर्स्ट वन. दैट वन इज बेरिलियम, मैग्नीशियम, कैल्शियम, स्ट्रोंशियम, बेरियम, एंड रेडियम. Okay, 11th class. Now just see This one Sr, strontium, okay, barium and radium. This one is also radioactive in nature. The simple form, that one is beta mangi car scooter bab razi. And why alkaline earth metals? Okay, because in this one these metals also combine with water and form alkali, although it's weaker than first group, but they will also form alkali and they occur mostly in earth crust. That's why alkaline earth metal. Now third to 10th 12th group, okay, that we will study not in detail like this pura. Okay, main is first, second and 13 to 18th group. So I'll explain 13th group to you. Okay, 11th class. Now just see, we have 13th group elements. That one is known as boron family because first member is boron. Okay, now in this bangan, aloo, gajar in thela. Okay, that one is bangan, aloo, gajar in thela. That one is simple boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. Now in this we have one more element, that one is synthetic. ये अभी कुछ time recently discovered element है. That one is symbol is NH. This one is nihonium. Okay, it's a synthetic element. This one is synthetic element. Okay, so normally, okay, these are required. That one is boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. Bangan, aloo, gajar in thela. Now we have another group. That one is known as group 14. Now just see, we have group 14 elements. Now that group 14 elements, that one is known as, okay, carbon family because first member is carbon. Okay, now just see. Okay, now just see, group 14 element, that one is carbon family. Okay, and carbon family in this one carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. छोटी सी गाड़ी सबने पकड़ी. ओके, 11th क्लास यू कैन मेक योर ओन शॉर्टकट्स ऑल्सो, जिससे तुम्हें आसानी से याद हो जाए. ओके, आई हैव लर्न लाइक दिस, तो मुझे ऐसे याद है. यू कैन मेक योर ओन शॉर्टकट्स ऑल्सो, नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, बट शेयर करने लायक होने चाहिए, नहीं तो मन में याद रखो. ओके, नाउ जस्ट सी, दिस वन इज carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. Now in this we have one more. This one is also synthetic. ये सब newly discovered, recently discovered elements हैं. This one is also synthetic. Name is flerovium. Flerovium. This one is synthetic in nature. Otherwise our main concern is with up to lead. छोटी सी गाड़ी सबने पकड़ी. Okay, now we have 15th, 16th, 17th and 18th group. Okay, the next is 15th group. Okay, class. Now we have group 15. That one is known as nitrogen family, or you can say nicogens. Actually, nicogens means suffocating, suffocation producing. Okay, the members of group 15. Okay, that one is Nahi, Papa, Ashish, सबसे बिगड़ा. ओके, जस्ट सी, अब किसी का नाम आशीष है तो वही बिगड़ा हुआ है या नहीं. ओके, नाउ जस्ट सी, दिस वन इज सिंपल. दैट वन इज शॉर्टकट फॉर्म नहीं पापा आशीष सबसे बिगड़ा. नाइट्रोजन, फॉस्फोरस, आर्सेनिक. ओके, दैट वन इज एंटीमनी. दिस SB, दैट इज एंटीमनी एंड दिस वन इज बिस्मथ. Okay, now in this one more element is there. Okay, that one is MC. It's a moscovium. That one is one more new discover. That one is moscovium. Okay, this one. Okay, so that one is again synthetic, moscovium. Now in this one, and just see. Okay, why this one is nicogen, suffocating. Actually, either it's a nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic. Whenever it reacts with other elements, you know that nitrogen, in case when it reacts with oxygen, it gives NO. Again react, it gives NO2. And when react with moisture, means it react with water, it gives HNO3, nitric acid. Okay, and it is suffocating in nature. Suffocating होती है. Arsenic selfly poisonous compound है. Arsenic suffocating in nature. Phosphorus, when react with hydrogen, it gives phosphine. That one is PH3, and this one is also poisonous in nature. So that's why these compound, these elements are known as nicogens. Now it's clear to you why group 15s are known as nicogens. Now group 16, 17, 18, that I'll explain in another video. Okay, thank you.